So the second way we are going to be using the long division is to help us factor. So if you're given a factor, and you need to be able to use it to actually factor. I think I could say factor one more time, maybe two. So what we do is we use the idea that division divides. I'm sorry, that was really stupid. All right, so what I do is I divide here. And when I divide, let's just go through it. So we get 2x cubed plus 4x squared. We subtract. Those go away, and I'm just left with x squared. Bring down the negative x. This is just x. So x squared plus 2x. Change my color. There we go. And this is negative 3x. Bring down the negative 6. And this is negative 3. I'm left at negative 3x minus 6. So when I subtract these, they're the exact same thing. I get 0. So what that's saying is x plus 2 is a factor. Okay, it's one of the factors of this mondo thing here. So since we're factoring here, this is just telling us that if I divide x plus 2 into that mess, I am left with 2x squared plus x minus 3. So we have to write it. Remember we did that checking our results and things like that. So x plus 2 times this is this, which is the definition of factoring. So when I factored, this is one of the factors already, so I have to put it down. And then I have to continue by factoring that guy. So when I factor that guy, I'm left with 2x plus 3 and x minus 1. So when you're done, this is a cubic. The degree is 3. I should have 3 factors. And that's it. So that's how we use it to factor. So let's try it on this guy. We have this root here. Same basic idea. The root is 1/3. So remember, if I have a root, I actually want a factor. So I like to cross multiply here and do 3x equals 1, subtract 1, and 3x minus 1 is your factor. So that's what I divide into this mess here. So you could have obviously factored, x minus 1/3, just done it that way, and actually done the division that way, but that looks a little scary to me. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, just making sure I didn't miss any terms there. So let's do the division, and then we'll continue. So we've done division enough that I'm thinking you can do it. So hold on. So when I've divided here, I divided 3x minus 1 as one of the factors. And my result with the 0 remainder, because it is a factor, we've already told you that, or we told you it was a root. 3x minus 1 is one factor, and x squared minus 7x plus 6 is the other. So now I need to factor this guy, which just turns out to be minus 6 and minus 1. Now this is totally factored. It is degree 3. There are 3 factors. Good, we're done. Have a good day.